Welcome back, creators. Today we are breaking down the showdown between Wix and Webflow to help you decide which platform is the right home for your next website. Both are incredibly powerful in 2026, but they are built for completely different types of users. Let's dive right in. If you are looking for the absolute fastest way to get online with zero technical stress, Wix is your best friend. It is designed for total beginners and small business owners who want a drag-and-drop experience that feels as intuitive as building a slide deck. With the latest AI-driven features in Wix Studio, you can literally describe your business and let the platform generate a professional site structure in minutes. Wix also wins hands down when it comes to all-in-one convenience, offering built-in tools for things like restaurant bookings, event management, and complex email marketing, features that would usually require third-party integrations on other platforms. Webflow, on the other hand, is a professional visual development tool that prioritizes performance and design precision above all else. Instead of just dragging things anywhere on a canvas, Webflow follows the strict rules of the web, giving you surgical control over padding, margins, and flexbox layouts. This approach results in much cleaner, semantic code, which gives Webflow a significant edge in 2026 for SEO and page load speeds. If you are building a high-end brand site or a complex content library where you need your mobile version to look and behave exactly how you want it, Webflow is the clear winner for that level of craftsmanship. When it comes to scaling your business, the two platforms diverge again. Wix is the go-to for rapid-fire commerce and high-volume product catalogs because its back-end management is so streamlined for the average user. Webflow is a choice for growth-focused agencies and tech startups that need a custom-tailored user experience and deep CMS flexibility that can handle thousands of dynamic pages without getting bogged down by the code bloat sometimes found in template-heavy builders. Ultimately, you should choose Wix if you want a user-friendly, affordable, and quick setup where the platform handles all the technical heavy lifting for you. You should choose Webflow if you're a designer or a professional who wants total creative authority, world-class site performance, and a future-proof foundation that grows with your brand. If this comparison helped you narrow down your choice, hit that like button and subscribe for more side-by-side platform breakdowns. Drop a comment below letting me know if you are Team Wix or Team Webflow, and I will see you in the next video.